Hello, and welcome to Principles of Microeconomics. This is Module 1.4b, and we'll be discussing marginal analysis. Marginal analysis looks at the costs and benefits of a specific business decision. Specifically, it looks at how costs per unit or benefits per unit change when a firm decides to change its business activities. We look at specifically the cost per unit and the benefits per unit versus the business as a whole, because this is the best way to compare what is the optimal decision for the firm. Now, let's look at an example here. Let's say a manufacturer wants to increase their production. When they're trying to decide whether or not this is a good decision for their firm, they're going to look at the costs associated with more production and weigh it with the benefits of producing more of their good. Some of the costs that they would face would be buying new machines, hiring new workers, buying more raw materials for production. Now, this is compared to the benefit of more sales or more revenue. If the benefit outweighs the cost for the firm, then it is a wise choice for them to make. Now, we know that not only firms, but also consumers face trade-offs in the choices that they make. All individuals weigh the costs and benefits of a choice and then make a decision. Now, when we look at incentives or disincentives, these work to change either the costs or the benefits of a specific decision. Incentives try to make it more beneficial to make a specific choice, whereas disincentives try to make it more costly to make a specific choice. So, for example, if we look at incentives, this can be retail stores trying to lure in consumers with a buy one, get one sale. Perhaps your professor is taking attendance in class and will give you bonus points for coming to class. Or a tax subsidy from the government for firms to invest in new technology. All of these are incentives that change the benefits of making a given choice. On the flip side, a disincentive makes it more costly to make a specific choice. So, for example, taxes on cigarettes and alcohol, calories reported in fast food restaurants, or pollution taxes. So when we look at incentives or disincentives, they're specifically designed to try to alter the decisions that consumers or firms make. Because we're always weighing the costs and benefits of our choices, either implicitly or explicitly, incentives will influence the decisions that we make. Thanks so much for joining me in Module 1.4b on marginal analysis.